Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a 1970 Thunderbird, one of the rarest Thunderbirds made. Matter of fact, I'd never heard of this car or seen one of these cars until we got this one. It's called the Mark T. You notice up front it has the Mark III grille as a dealer installed option from 70 to 73 with just a handful of these being made. Fiberglass hood, custom front end. This one here has 68,000 miles. What we've got is just a good, clean, solid, well-preserved car here. But it is unique. People are going to ask you what that is when they see it. Go to volocars.com. You can check out all the photos. You can read the description, and that's where you'll find the price. Not only on this one, we do have a few hundred collector cars that are all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you will be notified as the new videos are posted. But for right now, there's a rare opportunity. Let's go for a spin. The 70 Mark T. We got this from a collector. He's got a very impressive collection of cars. He likes unique things that are different, and this meets that criteria for sure. I started off by saying it's just a good, well-preserved car. That's how the underneath is. It's never been spray painted or undercoat. It's original, so you'll see that surface haze on there, but it is not rotten. It is rock solid underneath there. Has new dual exhaust, C6 automatic transmission. The shocks look like they were replaced more recently, but everything under the car is solid and orderly. The body is excellent. I was just eyeing it up. It is absolutely straight. The gaps are precise. Everything fits so nice. There's no issues. Smooth even all along the bottoms here and around the wheel well. It's all clean. There's no bubbles. Doors are nice and square. Look at the gaps. They're spot on. So no rust, no damage showing at all. Beautiful, complete repaint in this beautiful aqua turquoise color. And the metal flake is laid out nice, clear coat, super glossy. Now this hood is fiberglass, it's all fiberglass hood. This header panel's fiberglass. This is the Lincoln Mark III grille. Yep, it says Mark T right on the emblem there. And then of course the headlights, the bumper was completely cut and reconfigured from the original. So pretty much you got the custom front end here was the Mark T package. The rest of the chrome on the car is just good original. The trim, the moldings, you'll find a little dimple here or there, but it's straight. It's well cared for. Windshield is clear. Has like an alligator grain vinyl top. It's the original. It's white. There's a little bit of dirtiness. I don't know how hard we tried to clean it, but I would bet this will clean up even more. But there's no cracks or splits or bumps. It's all real nice shape. Someone did dress it up with some chrome baby moon wheels, Hankook radial tires. And it's just dirt right there. Thunderbird emblem. Cool tail light in back. I haven't seen it lit up yet. We'll light it up, see how that is. But it's all original, real nice, original bumper. Ginormous trunk. Big giant trunk has a full-size spare. The original jack. It has the sidewalls, but the liner must have been bad. Someone took it out, but it's all solid metal in here. Rubber's real good. The interior is just a really nice, well cared for 68,000 mile interior. So it's white upholstery, so it's not going to look brand new white out of the box, but it's not abused, it's not ripped up, it's not faded, it's not split. It's actually really nice upholstery and door panels. The dash is exceptional. You look at the dash, the wood grain is vibrant, the lenses and gauges are pristine, all the chrome trim everywhere is sparkling. The interior light works, so it literally is sparkling. So the dash is mint. It's a tilt wheel, there's no cracks in the steering wheel. Now hopefully I can get this hood open. go. And of course I got to do it again. Okay. It was actually pretty light. Again, like I keep saying, just a well cared for original 429 Thunderjet 4-barrel motor in here. 1970 was like the peak horsepower. I don't know the horsepower. It'll be on our description online, but I'm sure it's a strong motor. And it features air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. We just put a new alternator on it. Battery cables look recent. It's got a battery disconnect. The clutch fan looks recent. So just a properly cared for, maintained motor compartment. It's got power windows, rear defogger. There's a remote for a stereo. I have not tried it, but it says kicker, and there's controls that hangs under the dash. The original AM radio is in the dash, but it looks like there's a custom stereo. You open the glove box, it's like brand new. Owner's manuals are in there. So let's start it up. Got a nice big center armrest here that folds up for a full bench, where you got a nice comfortable armrest. $68,624 miles on this one. Headliner's nice. The mirror's crystal clear. Weather strips look good. Big door. Oh yeah, tail light looks cool. Yeah, the remote for the stereo is lit up, so I assume it's hooked to something. So there you have it, one of the rarest Thunderbirds. Just a nice 68,000 mile cruiser with a little muscle under the hood, actually. Go to volocars.com, plenty of ways to contact the salesman. I just gave you my impression of this one right here. They can help answer any specific concerns or questions you might have. They can also get this delivered to your driveway. They can help with financing. Find all that at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching our videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you will be the first to see the next video posted. Thanks for watching.